One of the most talked about stocks on the market is Tesla. And what if I inform you that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, is poised to take a risky action that will boost Tesla stock? Cathie makes a bold forecast for the price of Tesla stock in this video, an increase from the stock's present price. While the stock market was experiencing its worst day in over 2 years, Cathie Wood's investment firm, Fernmark, purchased millions of dollars in Tesla stock. She asserts that Tesla already has a huge market for electric vehicles, so it doesn't require automated ride-hailing to succeed. But then, why did Cathie Wood say that? But before that, welcome to Investor Facts, where you may learn about investing and how to make the best financial decisions for your life. Make sure you click the subscription button and enable the notification bell if you haven't already. Share, like, and comment. Recently, Cathie Wood asserted that Tesla will succeed with its robotic taxi. She set some lofty price targets for company stock. Wood revealed in April 2022 that she anticipates Tesla's stock price will increase to $4,600 by 2026. She asserted, if Tesla is successful in creating and deploying self-driving robotaxi, then that is doable. Similarly to this, the CEO of ARK Invest changed the price of her Tesla to $1,533 after the company's stock split 3-for-1. In a Twitter post by Tesla Bull, Cathie Wood quoted another tweet from Sam Corus and set a possibility of 25%, stating that in a worst-case scenario, Tesla stock will strike $966 in 2026 and can go as high as $1,933 in bull-case situation. Even so, Cathie Wood has since stated that Tesla could achieve an important milestone even without a robotaxi. According to the Director of Research for Autonomous Technologies and Robotics at ARK Investments, Tesla can be the first to bring down prices, which puts more pressure on the other automakers, and that Tesla's profits, in addition to its outstanding drivetrain performance and low battery prices, could end up making it one of the best placed to weather any silicon slowdown for automobiles. The firm's 2026 price target will become approximately $500 per share post-stock split based on EVs alone, which is more than 4 times what Tesla's share is currently trading for. Additionally, ARK Invest CFA Tasha Keeney stated that removing autonomous driving and any form of ride-hailing, which is assumed to continue driving more than 60% of Tesla's value over the next 5 years. In accordance with the forecast, Cathie Wood recently purchased further Tesla shares on the day of the company's worst decline since September 2020, reiterating her belief in the EV manufacturer. Cathie Wood's company ARK Invest has increased in stock purchases recently, and the company stated that it will invest in high-conviction names such as the car maker. The stock has dropped about 75% since November of 2021, and Wood's most recent purchase coincided with Tesla's 12.2% dip, which was the worst single-day decline since September of 2020. In the first U.S. trading session of this year, funds backed by ARK Invest reportedly purchased more than 176,000 shares of Tesla. One of the biggest holders of Tesla stock is ARK Invest, which also has the top position in the ARK Innovation ETF and the ARK Connect's Generation Internet ETF with respective holdings of 8.75% and 9.21% of SX. Together, these two funds have more than $880 million worth of Tesla stock. There is little uncertainty about what Tesla will produce, as the manufacturer has enormous potential for enormous sales in the upcoming years. Cathie Wood's subsequent acquisition of Tesla shares demonstrate that the Tesla Ball anticipates a lot more from the EV firm. The EV market is expanding due to a number of factors, including increased safety and vehicle pollution rules, technological advancements, and altered consumer expectations. Nevertheless, Tesla and its distinct business model can be credited for a large portion of the general acceptance and enthusiasm for electric vehicles. Tesla entered the EV market with a distinctive strategy, and it has reigned for a very long period. Tesla took the opposite approach, focusing on creating an engaging car that will attract men to EVs, rather than attempting to create a reasonably priced car that it can manufacture. In contrast, Tesla sold $908,573 worth of EVs within the same time period, with BYD outperforming Tesla by almost 30% in terms of deliveries. Tesla, meanwhile, wins by miles in terms of net profit per vehicle sold. BYD posted a net profit of $1.14 billion for the same time, compared to $8.87 billion in the first 3 quarters. Additionally, Tesla earned more than $9,761 in profit per vehicle, which is more than 8 times as much as BYD, which earned $1,190 in profit per vehicle sold. Tesla's future results will be something to keep an eye on, according to ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood. By 2030, the market capitalization will be over $200 trillion, predicts investment firm Innovation. In addition, ARK Invest has found 14 intriguing examples of transformational technologies that are currently converging, thus at a tipping point. But since Tesla is committed to development, it has a good chance of succeeding in years to come. The automaker has already lowered the cost of its vehicles in many years. In order to increase sales in the midst of waning demands in the world's largest auto market, car prices were recently reduced in China for the second time in less than 3 months. The Model 3 and Model Y, both of which are produced in China, now have lower prices across the board. Tesla's price reductions, though, are supported by numerous engineering innovations, claims Grace Tao, Vice President for External Relations in China for Tesla. She claimed that Tesla is answering the call of the nation by taking concrete steps to advance economic development and unleash the potential of domestic demand. The construction of Tesla's Cybertruck is also getting closer. The all-electric pickup truck, weighing 9,000 tons, is reportedly being transported to the plant, according to recordings taken from the site not long after an image of the Cybertron body prototype surfaced from a gigafactory in Texas. And based on recent developments, it appears that Tesla is on schedule to begin manufacturing the Cybertruck this year. In related news, Tesla revealed to have sold the most vehicles in the UK during the month of December. The Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders, or SMMT, released data from December and the entire year showing that the electric SUV was third most popular vehicle overall in 2022. Especially in comparison to vehicles powered by fossil fuels. The electric SUV was the most popular vehicle in December. The company is also able to hike prices and pass on improved material expenses to customers, thanks to Tesla's obsessive focus on electric cars and good products. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We're always posting new videos about finance, investing, and business tips that can help you grow your wealth.